guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to be doing last minute guide for Christmas presents. These are roughly under $15, so they're good if they're on a budget, and they're directed more towards the female audience and the females. So if you have a girlfriend, go ahead and keep on watching this video, and I'm sure you're going to hear something that she's going to like on here. Alrighty guys, if you guys have not already, please like and subscribe and go ahead and continue watching. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get into this video. So last minute girls gift guide. Okay, perfume. Oh, every girl loves perfume, and you can always nonchalantly ask, hey, what's your favorite perfumer? Oh, you smell good. What are you wearing? Do you like that scent? Because I like that scent. DIY hot cocoa kit. This is so cute. I did this last year for a work party. You get just a mug. You put in individual packets of hot chocolate. You put like a little cute gift wrapping, and you put marshmallows in it and like a candy cane, and go ahead and just Pinterest DIY hot cocoa kit, and it is so freaking cute. You can get them like a cute little mug for Christmas. Slippers, and to make the slippers gift a little bit more meaningful, you can put like a scented lotion in there and just stick the scented lotion in the slippers when you wrap them. Fluffy socks with lotion as well. Christmas socks are such a big thing, and they're so freaking cute. Like these Christmas socks, I freaking love them so much, and I got them 2 or 3 years ago. I collect fluffy socks. A scarf. A scarf is such a nice gift. I'm pretty sure I have a scarf in my purse because scarves are just so awesome, and especially when it gets cold and hot and cold and hot. Sometimes you don't want to wear a coat, but if you have a scarf on hand, it makes it so much easier. A candle. I actually have this candle going. It's a warm flannel. It is a Christmas scented candle that I got last year. So any type of Christmas candle, most of the scents are very universal, and a lot of people like the scents. A fluffy, cozy bathrobe. I got one of these last year, and oh my goodness, I've worn it all year round. A scented body wash. Oh my goodness, I love scented body washes, especially if it's like Christmas themed. Like, I go crazy. Marshalls, Bell's Outlet, and other outlet stores are going to have these for very cheap. They have like Physicians Formula and a couple other like name brand stuff that just didn't get sold at the other stores, and they have it now for cheap, for super cheap. If you are of age and above 21, you can get wine with a cute little Christmas themed wine cozy. Those are so freaking cute. And if you're not sure what the kind of wine the person likes, if they are younger, they're most likely going to be on a not very dry wine, and if they are older, they're probably going to like drier wine. But you can always ask or check if they are a wine fanatic. Look in their wine cellar. Take down some names of the stuff that they have, because I don't remember them all. I just know this one is super dry because it's super, super dark. This one is kind of light because it's not as freaking dark. DIY scented sugar scrubs. Now, this is such a fun gift to make and to give, because you can make a gingerbread scented, a vanilla scented, vanilla mint scented, a peppermint scented, and they're so easy to make. It's like 1 cup of sugar to like a 1.5 cups to 2 cups of coconut oil or olive oil or any form of oil that you would like to use, almond oil, anything like that. And you use essential oils, and oh, they smell so good. I actually make these for myself like every year. A coffee mug with chocolate, candy canes, and a small coffee mix. So that's kind of like the DIY cocoa kit, but with coffee. So if you know you have a coffee lover in your family, get that. A cookie in a jar, it's where you have like a mason jar and you put all of the ingredients that you need for like a cookie or a sugar cookie or a chocolate chip cookie, and put like a little face or a little paper outline on it to make it look cute or to make it look like a present. I think those are super, super cute. Makeup or nail polish. I don't know about you guys, but I freaking love to get makeup. A very versatile thing for makeup that you can get is highlighter, lashes, you can get like an eyeshadow palette, and lipstick. I would not try to get powder, I would not try to get foundation, because those are very, very, very individual and you don't want to pick out the wrong shade, or else they're going to have to go through the hassle of taking it back and returning it and exchanging it. And just go ahead and get universal stuff like lashes and highlighter and lipstick. I think those would be really good items that a girl could get, where even if you didn't know her shade, she would still like them. You can get like Christmas themed earrings or a Christmas themed necklace or a brooch or a pin. That would be super cute. A self-care kit. I love giving these to my best friends. You put like a face mask, a sugar scrub, a lip balm, and I like adding in a nice razor, because I've gone for so long with like crappy razors and I don't want anybody that I know using a crappy razor. Okay, so a self-care kit is super sweet and a meaningful gift. A blanket, oh my goodness, I love getting blankets, and around this time of the year you can get nice blankets for pretty cheap from like Walmart or even like Kirkland's. I know they have like $10 throw blankets right now. A cute tumbler water bottle. Now Walmart has stepped up their game. They have these water bottles that are called Bubba's, and they keep water cold for over 24 hours, and they keep hot drinks hot for over 8 to 10 hours. And they're cute. They're freaking cute. Something from Walmart is freaking adorable, and they're only like 10 bucks, and they have like the marble colors, and I think that would be a really, really good gift for a girl. A gift certificate. Oh, gift certificates are amazing. If you know the woman in your life loves makeup, but you have no idea where she shops, you have no idea what kind of highlighter she's gonna want. Ulta, Sephora, Target, get her a gift card for there. If you want more bang for your buck, I'd go to Target and get her like a $25, $50 gift card from Target, because that $50 is gonna go farther in Target than it is in Sephora or Ulta. So that's a little tip for you. A yoga mat. A yoga mat is a wonderful idea. She does not have to be practicing yoga to get a yoga mat. It can be for abs, it can be for any type of fitness that she's in. A yoga mat could go ahead and be beneficial. Holiday earrings, I went ahead and said that. A Christmas movie kit, this is super cute. Popcorn, M&Ms, a movie, a blanket, candy, hot cocoa mix. Going ahead and getting that, and I like to give that on Christmas Eve, so that on Christmas Eve you guys can cuddle and eat popcorn and just have candy canes and hot chocolate, and not only is it a romantic fun time, but she's also getting all these gifts that she most likely wanted and didn't want to have to get herself. You can even in there put in some really cute Christmassy themed pajamas, and I think that would be a really, really cute gift. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. That is all for my last minute gift guide for girls. If you want one for boys, let me know. I'm gonna have to do my research, because I wouldn't know. I have to ask my boyfriend what I should put down, and I will interview him and see what you guys would get a boy if you are interested. I'm not planning on making that video, so if you would like that video, a last minute gift guide for boys or for guys, make sure you comment that down below, because I do not have that in my plan for December. So if you guys want it, let me know and I will do it. But if not, I'm probably not gonna do it, because I wouldn't know what to put. But I will do my research if you guys want it. So let me know down below. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. If you have not already, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining my little YouTube family. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys are having an amazing and wonderful holiday season. Thank you guys. Bye.